Hi guys, today we are doing lesson 13 and today we are going to be solving two-step word problems with dollars and cents. So let's get started. Number one, it says solve it with a tape diagram and a number sentence. So number one says Josephine has 3 nickels, 4 dimes, and 12 pennies. Her mother gives her 1 coin. Now Josephine has 92 cents. What coin did her mother give her? So we are going to start by drawing out our tape diagram to represent the amount of money that Josephine has. So we know that it says she's got 92 cents total. So this is her 92 cents, and this is after her mother has given her a coin. So let's go ahead and plug these amounts in. So we've got 3 nickels. So a nickel's worth 5 cents. So if we count by 5s 3 times, we get 5, 10, 15 cents. Okay, next she has 4 dimes. So if we count by 10s, because a dime's worth 10 cents, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40 cents. And last she's got 12 pennies. And a penny is worth 1 cent each, so that's going to be worth 12 cents total. And then we are trying to figure out how much this coin is worth that her mother gives her to make her grand total 92 cents. So before we can do anything, we want to find out what is this total here of the change that Josephine has to begin with. So we are going to add 15 plus 40 plus 12 cents. And if we add 15 plus 40, let's go ahead and do that first, get our total, and then we can add our 12 cents in. So we've got 5 ones plus 0 ones is going to give us 5 ones in our ones place. 1 10 plus 4 tens is going to give us 5 tens in our tens place. So there we've got 55 cents, and then we're going to add in our 12 cents. We've got 12 cents plus our 55 cents. And I'm just going to do vertical method here, or as you guys like to call it, stacking method. And we are going to add these together. So we've got 2 plus 5 gives us 7. And 5 plus 1 gives us 6. So to begin with, she starts with 67 cents. And we are trying to figure out how much this coin is worth that her mom gives her to get us to a total of 92 cents. So you guys, there's different strategies we can use to solve this. We could use our arrow method and start at 67 and go up until we get to 92. We could subtract 67 from 92. So let's start with our arrow method and see what it takes to get us to 92. So we've got 67. I'm going to add 3 to my 67 to get me up to 70. And then once I'm at 70, I can add 20 more to get me up to 90. And then plus 2 more, because that's the 2 more to get us to 92, would get us to 92. Okay, so then I just look at what I added here. 20 plus 3 plus 2 gives me 25. And we know that a quarter is worth 25 cents. So here when it says what coin did her mother give her, we can say Josephine's mother gave her a quarter. I'm going to try to see if I can fit all of that right in here. Okay. So we read it, we drew it, and then we wrote our sentence. Okay, so number 2, it's moving us into dollars now. It says Christopher has 3 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills, and 12 $1 bills. Let's just start there. Okay, we're going to do our tape diagram and we're going to represent for Christopher here a C. So it says, I'm drawing my tape diagram. it says he's got three $10 bills, so $10, $20, $30. He's got three $5 bills, so $5, $10, $15. And he's got 12 $1 bills, and our ones are worth $1 each, so it's just going to be $12. And we want to, before we can do anything, find this total. So I am going to leave that blank there so that I can write my total in once we found it. So if we add these together, we can say 30 plus 15 plus 12 to get our total. Well, let's start by just adding these two together first. So we've got 30 plus 15 gives me 45. And 45 plus 12, if I look at my ones place, 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So he's starting out with $57 here. Okay, now it says Jenny has $19 more than Christopher. How much money does Jenny have? So we know, we're going to do our tape diagram here, we know that Christopher has $57 total. And it says that Jenny has $19 more. So we are trying to now find step 2 of this problem. How much does Jenny have total? In order to find that, we need to add these two amounts together. So 57 plus 19. Well, I know that 19 is really close to 20. So if I wanted to add 1 to my 19, I could say 57 plus 20, and that's going to give me 77. And then I'm going to take away 1 because 20 take away 1 gives me 19 to give me a total of 76. Now you guys could have used the vertical method here to add these two together. Whatever strategy works best for you, but I'm just showing you one way because we're practicing with our arrow method here. So here's our total. We found our total here, and we are going to finish this off by writing that Jenny has $76. Okay, let's move on to number 3. It says Isaiah started with 2 $20 bills, 4 $10 bills, and 1 $5 bill, and 7 $1 bills. He spent $73 on clothes. How much does he have left? So before we get started, we are going to draw our tape diagram out. I'm actually going to probably make this a little bit longer. And it says that he started with 2 $20 bills. So $20 bills times 2 is going to be $40. Because 20 plus 20 is 40. And 4 $10 bills, 10, 20, 30, is also $40. Okay, and he's got 1 $5 bill. So that's just worth $5. And 7 $1 bills. So that's going to be worth $7. So we're going to, first of all, find out how much this total here is. And we can do that by just going step by step. So 40 plus 40, we should be able to do that, just mental math. So 40 plus 40, 4 plus 4 is 8. Therefore, 40 plus 40 is going to give me 80. Oop. And then I can add my 5 plus 7 and get that total, and then add my two totals together. So 5 plus 7 is going to give me $12. Then I can just add these two. They're nice, already stacked for me. So this is going to give me $92. So his total is $92. Now we're not done yet. So it says that Isaiah spent $73 on clothes. So if he spent $73 and this total was 92. And we're trying to figure out how much did he have left. Okay, so this is pretty easy. We can just subtract these two. So we've got, he starts out with 92. He spends 73. So it's taking away 73. And how much does he have left? So I cannot take 3 ones from 2 ones. So I'm going to cross out my 9 tens, make that 8 tens, give a 10 over here to my 2 ones. So now I've got 12 minus 3 gives me 9, and 8 minus 7 gives me 1. So our answer here is going to be that Isaiah has or had $19 left. Okay, there you have it, boys and girls. I am going to stop right there. I'm going to give you guys an opportunity to solve the next 3 problems on this problem set. If you are having any trouble with this and you have questions, please put them in the comments field of our Google Classroom. And if you'd like to just do the first page of the homework, now that you have these problems modeled for you, then you can give that a go as well. See you tomorrow.